Hello, in front of me I've got Nokia 225 4G. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. Let's unlock the phone and go to settings. Now select personalization and select theme. Then select keypad, lock screen shortcut and welcome note. Also, you can go to System and select Backlight. And Screen Timeout. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.